In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Foxit PDF Reader program on your Windows computer. Whether you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, this process should be the same. So the first thing you need to do is to open any browser. As you can see, I'm on Google Chrome browser here. Just search for Foxit PDF Reader, and if you run your search, it will take you to the official fox.com PDF Reader website. Now from here, we have this option to download this program. To get it, just click on download now. You'll have to choose your operating system. For my case, I'm on Windows, so because if you're on Windows, just choose this Windows. If you're on a MacBook, choose the MacBook version. So I'll choose Windows, and now you can also choose the package. That is the format of the installation package. We have exe, and also we have zip. You also have MSP, so I'll leave it to exe, and then choose whether you want to also to download Bitdefender antivirus for free for life. If you don't want, leave this unchecked. So I don't want to download Bitdefender, so I'll proceed to download my Foxit app by clicking on download. And now by clicking this, you can see the progress is on. We have our program being downloaded, as you can see here. So be patient as the download takes place. You can also see the progress here. Once the download is done, you can see the download file is here. Click on this folder icon, and this will open the file from the location it was downloaded. Mine is under downloads. Now we have to run this file. To run it, just double click on it, or right click on it and then choose run as administrator. Confirm and click on yes, and then select your language. By default it is set to English. I'll click on OK to proceed. You'll then get this installer window. Be patient as it prepares to install. Then you'll get this pop-up window where you are being welcomed. Click on next, and now you have to accept the terms and condition. If you have time, you can read through and then check this first box. I accept the terms in the license agreement, and also you can choose whether you want to help improve user experience. I'll leave it as it is, and then continue by clicking on next. And here now we have the download location. You can either choose the default download location, or you can change if you want the files for this program to be downloaded in a specific folder. Then you also can choose either if you want typical or custom installation. You have for typical, this will install this program with its default settings. However, for custom, this will allow you to choose which program and features to be installed. So I'll install everything. I'll leave it to typical, and finally click on install, and now this will run the installation. So this might take some few minutes. Be patient as the installation runs. As you can see, it is almost done, and within no time you should see now the shortcut program on your desktop. However, you can see the progress is still on. Don't close it until it gets done. Once done, it's time to click on finish, and you can choose whether to launch it on clicking finish, or if you don't want to launch it directly, you can uncheck this. So I'll leave it as it is, and then just click on finish. Now that will open the program. You can also open your program by just double clicking on it or right clicking and then choose open here. So that's how you can install Foxit PDF Reader on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.